Hi, so we're going to talk about our new e-commerce platform. This is our front end or client-facing applications. It is website. Here, our product will be available for our customers or our users. Also, we have the backend system that we can manage the product and orders and the inventory as well. So, let's log into the admin or dashboard panel. This is our URL admin-au.commercy.com. This is our testing domain, or we can keep this domain for live as well. We will not have any issue on that. So let's start with our feature list. The feature list we are calling about the module in the backend system. So for example, file maintenance is one of our feature or module. So each module have some sub modules like another features are enlisted. So we are going to discuss about a brief of our features, that how many features will be available for managing our e-commerce or online selling platforms. Okay, we just logged in with a username and password that belongs to a company name is Toys and Wheels. So whoever is gonna log into our system, the company name will be visible right top later, uh, right top corner of this screen. Sorry, left top corner. And in right top corner, we'll have the languages. We will work on this later on, and we have some user profile, change password, and logout feature here. Let's go to our file maintenance. I'm opening this file maintenance. So what are the file maintenance? These informations like these modules are prerequisite for a product. That means we need to make sure that we have all this information to make a product complete, so that a product's basic requirements or pre-requirements modules like a marketplace. What is the marketplace? Marketplace is our company like Toys and Wheels. We have Toys and Wheels here. So here is our identification for a marketplace, and also we can see other marketplaces as well. They are already enlisted here. They are not visible in another front end. So this is all the dummy datas. So don't worry about that, but consider this is our identification number, our identification ID. It's called UUID technically. We will consider this one. Where we will use, I will show you in coming minutes. The category, we know about the category. Category is the product or items. It's necessary to show the products or category list or the items of a category for a user or in the e-commerce web pages or applications. So what we need to do for the category list, we need a name, we need a small description. It's not mandatory. You will find the mandatory fields when you go to the creating a new category. There will have some information. The required are identified with the asterisk sign with red colors, that marks is marked fields are required. Title is required, image is not required, but it's necessary for our customers activeness. If you have any parent category, like if you find this is our child category, so you can choose the parent category or leave it as a parent category. So here we also have the parent category. So for the parent category, we will not choose any of them. We will keep as it is by default none, and we will create the category. So where we'll go back to our list page, the category list page. This is how we're managing a category list. Here we can view the category details by clicking the detail icon, or icon here, like this is the view. So if you click here, and you will see the full metadata and images. Okay, so image is really important. Why this is important? Because we will have an options to see all categories or list of categories for our e-commerce platform or e-commerce site. Because sometimes the user need to identify the list of categories. We can identify the list of categories, that category 1, category 2, parent category, and category 0. This category has no image. Also the parent category has no image, that's why it's blank in the white page. But category 1 has an image, so I click the category, so I can see the list of items belongs to the category name is cat 1. So here is the things that user can identify the products for a specific category, or we can share this URL for users, or in the social marketing, or in somewhere the web marketing or blog or posting. This will be very helpful for to identify a specific product or a specific category that belongs some products. Okay, now go back to the category list. There is the attribute. Attribute is one of the important thing in here, because attribute will ensure a product to buy a sorry, attribute will ensure a user to buy a product. So for example, I'm clicking or opening a product. This is our product detail base. The design will be updated time to time, and here is the attribute list. That why attribute is important, because it's uh, products characteristics, I mean the products main key points, or you can say products main key features, or at a glance to buy a product, or the characteristics of a product. So for example, this product battery size is this one, frame is this one, motor size is this one, transition is this. All are dummy data, but I'm just telling you that is motor bike electric. So user, when user come to our online platform, and then they need to understand why they are gonna buying a product. So this is the way. So customer will see the basic or main features to ensure that what I am buying is okay and right for me. So that is why we introduce a new things, that attribute will be listed here. And how will it manage? So go to the create new. This is the code column. I will let you know soon enough. Today's video is very brief, so I'll try to um, explain a little bit, but after that I will give you the full explanation in the next videos. So what is the code column? Code column can be anything. You can say is electric bile is the code column. It's like a column that can be used from in the backend. It's not visible for the user, but this options is visible for the user if you make these things like that, or this one. So for column code, don't use any space or some special characters. Try to make words by separating the underscore like this way. Also the backend and front end title means the in the CFA, client facing applications, or backend is for this dashboard panel. You can keep both same. We don't need to change anything for the title, make it same. Default value could be um, anything means how could be anything. So see, there is a column type. So if we need to write some text, like say for example battery should have a value that dynamically we can add. It's not possible to choose the battery options. It can be different for each and every products, but there are some um, there are some attribute that can be fixed or item or selected values, so that we can choose. So how we can define? If we need to write any value, then we will choose text or text area. If we have the options of the list, we needed to select the options. We will check radio or checkbox or drop down. So we can do that. So radio, checkbox and drop down. For these three options we need to attribute options. So here you will need to another backend title. Say for example, is electric motorbike. For text we don't need to add attribute options, but for radio or checkbox we must need to input the values, the attribute options. For front end title is same, keep it same, default is no, status is active. And what we can do, this is the question: is electric motorbike yes or no? Answer will be yes or no. That's why option is yes or no, right? So this is how we set our attribute and their options. But for text we don't need to keep or add any information for attribute options. So make it text and back to the list or update or save. So I already added some metadata here. You can go to the attribute list or attribute detail or attribute edit, then you can see the what is the value and how I set it. And later on this will be impacted on our product features. So I'm coming to the product soon enough. So this is the attributes, but we need to make them in a group. That is, we can call this is our toys attribute group or a default group, right? So we called it set. So what is set? Set is uh, a group of attributes. So see, go to the edit or view page. So here is the default toys. Theme is default, it's not the for calculation. You can leave it blank or you can add any word, that will not be impacted anywhere. Okay, so here is the attributes options that we just have seen in our attribute list. So we can choose from here that hot attributes under this default toys, and where it will be used I will show you later soon. Okay, so marketplace category attribute and attribute set is gone. Attribute set is a group of attributes, and the manufacturer, you need to add the manufacturer for our completing a product. I will show you in the catalog sections. And the brand list. For category and brand list, make sure for all category we have image. For brand list, make sure we have images for each and every brand. So create new or update new one or click the edit button. It's as same as category, we don't have any much information, just need a title and the image. So why we are going to use, we will have in another new section, that is brands. So we will have the multiple brand sections like this way. If we go to the brand sections, the product or items will be visible here under that specific brand. So let's see BMW. So BMW has two products. So user can identify a um, a brand and the brand's products or list of products for the brand. This will be very easier for a user to understand the product navigation or the brand, or choose the right product for his or her or their people or family. Okay, so brand is done and we are moving to the catalog. What is catalog? Catalog will have four features like product. Here is our the product list, coupon, CSV, product upload. I am ignoring today for coupon and product review. I will explain this two later, and I will talk about the product and CSV upload. Okay, product, here is the product that we can manage. The product, we can create this one. So go to the create, there is the options, you must select all of them. So here, that's I was saying that this is the prerequisite for creating a product. See, this is the marketplace. You must have to select attributes that we design an attribute set. You can design this one with the set and its attributes by these two features like attribute and attribute set, and select the category. You can choose one from here, or later on you can change it from our product detail page. But please make sure that attribute set and marketplace will not be changed. You cannot change marketplace and attribute set later on. Okay, so save and exist will give you the another options or new page like this one. So after saving a new product, you will be landed here with the some information. There are few tabs here. If you click there, you can see the some menus and their attributes or their input fields. So product, this is the important thing for product and the offer items. Mostly both are same, but I'm gonna tell you a different thing. This is the product. Product is the main information or basic metadata for this product. Say for example, Baro Bold Ducati is our main product. So we can use this Ducati here, or think about that 22 official license Zip Grant. So this is our main product, but we are not offering this product to user right now. I'm gonna clear this one. Okay, so what will be the offer? Offer is something that for creating a package and its prices. That means user will see the items or offer items in the front end. So see, Barovol Ducati SX with upgraded hand accelerator WI. So this is the offer for our customer. So we are offering a product with a specific package. How we are specifying a product with unit of measurement, like it could be one pitch, it could be one pack, it could be one box, it could be um, one cartoon. So it can be designed by yourself or ourselves. So we will see that how we can make unit of measurement. Here we have the common tools, the code from. I'm opening this one in new tab so that we can understand that how we create the unit of measurements. Let's create a new unit of measurements for country. We are setting the Australia unit of measurement. The type will be unit of measurement and the title. Say for example, one cartoon, one CS, something like that. The view value keep it same to understand and make it save. So here is the another options for our unit of measurement. So go to the edit product and click here, go to the offer and section. See, we have these options 1CS alphabetically to 1CS. So we can make a product. This is a product. This information will not visible in the front end or to a customer. This will be basic information for identifying a single product for our system. And for offer, the title, item title will be visible to our client facing applications or to our customers. So make sure you have the item title specified with uh, details, like you can add right here in that one page. It will be also understandable to our customers, or you can leave it same. One question is remain: if you have the only one product with only offer item, then do we need to add here and here? Yes, we need to. If the information or SKU or title as same as offer, you can make them same. Don't worry about that, because system will allow you to keep the title same. So What is the difference? This is the basic metadata. And for offering, that package and pricing. See, unit of measurement for packaging, you have the sell pricing, available quantity, and the special price. Special price will be available for, say for example, currently you have $1 $1 and you are gonna sell it $90. So this is your offer price, I mean the special price for promotion or marketing or sales. If we don't need to give any special price, keep it 0. And visibility will be catalog and search, only one options we have. And for where it will be impacted in the front end side, when you search a product, then it will be help to visible, or it will be hide from the search page. So if you choose this one, by default it will be selected automatically, because we don't have anything to invisible, or later on we can make them invisible. Availability in stock, pre-order or out of stock, you can make them in stock, pre-order or out of stock. It's depends on your availability. Status and weight, length, width, height. Length, width, height, you must put into the with the unit of cm, centimeter, and weight must be in kg. Make sure you have weight for this. Why is weight, high, length, width, and height are necessary? Because for TNT express freight calculations, those four fields are important for freight calculations. If we don't need to calculate the TNT express, then we don't need to insert on this, but system will give the basic information to pass you as a complete information for the item or product. So here is the product and the item. We have two items for this product. For packaging, like one is 1 kg, this is not possible to 1 kg, just for testing this is the wrong data. But say for example one box and one piece, how we define a product? So just think about that. We have a business for batteries, so we are selling a pencil battery, like double a battery. So how we are gonna sell, or how people gonna make business with batteries? So they package or repackage with like one piece, 4 piece, 12 piece, like this way their packaging system. So they are offering the number of items with the price. Say for example one piece for $10, 4 piece for $40, right? So this is how items are made. So here is our the same thing, that the offer and items we are offering. The main product is battery, that is the difference from here. The main product is battery and offer is the with the price. And you can definitely make the title with better understanding with our unit of measurement, or identify the measurement. Okay, so come back to the item and the descriptions. You must add some descriptions. This will be visible here, description, warning, and specifications. And you must need to input images. We have right now 6 images. That is enough from my side, I think. If we need more, we will add later on. Category, we are talking about the category from the file maintenance sections. That categories are listed here. You can choose or update, or multiple category can be assigned, because if you need to show that one single product belongs to multiple category, then definitely you can click the category by clicking the checkbox. SEO is for search engine optimization. That will be helpful to understand the Google or search engine marketing. And attributes, as I said earlier, in the attribute says that we choose the attribute set default one, and under the default we have multiple attributes. Like say battery, we choose the text, so that's why we can input by our own words. And there another one attributes was for optional. With radio button, we can see the radio button one, and we can choose only one. If we had to select anything for the checkbox, then we will have them checkbox for multiple selections. Maximum times we use, I used here for testing the text, that's why is the text. You can write here for them for this one. Okay, So this is the product, how we are handling. This is the product, and one important thing is that uh, uh, CSV upload. Before coming to the CSV upload, I can give you a short view, like how look like the view items. You can see the product, the preferred pricing, and the description, images, category, and so on. So you don't need to move to the edit or uh, all the time. So you can see the how the product are managed or updated, or is there anything need to update, then go to the edit section. So back to the list. So CSV upload. So here is the options that I uploaded a CSV file and run to importing a file from CSV to our system. So how you will do that? We have a sample CSV file. I just downloaded and opened it, this one. We have some columns like marketplace UUID, country code, attribute set, product name, product SKU, manufacturer name, manufacturer item code, this blah 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 blah. Lots of informations are here. And that's, you can see that's meaningful name or the name we just have seen in the product sections. If we go back to the product sections in edit and see that item title is here, item title, item name is the item title, item SKU is the item SKU, this is the item SKU, main product is the product name, like say for example this is the product name, product SKU. So what is the product name, where this is the title, so product name, product SKU, descriptions, images, categories, all the things are included in the Excel file. So see, in the product sections we have the country, we have manufacturer, we have brand, we have status. See, we have the manufacturer name, manufacturer item code, manufacturer images, brand image, and supplier code, and so on. So let's start from the one, what is marketplace UUID. As I said, from the file maintenance and the marketplace, we have a identification number with long string. That is the identification number. We copy and paste here. What is country code? For Australia is country code. I will share the country code if needed. Attribute set, I will share the attribute set. After creating your attribute set or configuring, I will confirm and share with the ID. I will show you ID here also. Later on, the product name will become from you, product SKU will be set by you, manufacturer name will be set by you, manufacturer item code is not required. If you can keep them blank, but if you have this information, please input the information. Brand name is required, brand image is required, but I kept this blank because this will not block to upload my product. So make sure you have the image, or if you don't have here image, so and later on go back to the edit sections and upload your brand image. And for category and brand image, we have an instruction, like what is the instruction? Make sure your image size will be square, not the larger or something like that. I'm gonna open the new one for category section that I make it for myself, save it. So this one is the square, 512 by 512, with 512 pixel, height 512 pixel. So make it 500 500 or 512. Make all category and brand images are square to visible with a square shape here in the front end as well as the home page in this section. So it will look better for making a square size. And for product size will be 600 by 800. So search in Google and what is 600 and HS image look likes image. So see, this image is 600 and 800, 600 width and 800 height. So this image will look better in our site in the front end. So it's recommended, but you can uh, design by on yourself. You can make your choice definitely, but make sure the size will remain same for all kind of products. This is your responsibility to keep all the product same, otherwise it will be up and down. Like say for example, for smaller sized, it will, the section will be go up or down. This will look uh, this will look bad, like this will not be professional. For professionalism, we will have the same size of images. For brand and category, square size 500 500 or 400 400 or whatever the size you set. And for product, make sure height is larger than the wide, like I said that 600 800. So make, you can change it but make it simpler and will same for all products. So this is how we manage the images. Okay, so go back to the Excel file, and here's the brand image, the category name. If you don't need to, you don't have any category to create here, or you can make the create no new name, new category name here. The system will create for you. If the system doesn't find the, you have same name of category. Item short description, long description, specification that we have seen in the product edit sections, SEO title, SEO keywords, SEO images, and so on. You can input by Excel file or upload by Excel file, or you can update from our admin panel or dashboard panel. So here is the item details. Make sure you have all item underscores informations are given. So item title, item SKU, item one piece, one box, or something I explained. And value, keep it same with the title. Item sell price, special price, keep it 0 if you don't have. The item visibility is catalog underscore source, or leave it blank. Item availability is in stock, it's capitalized and defined by underscore for multiple keywords. Item status is 1 or 0, make it 1 for active, 0 is for inactive. So keep it 1 or leave it as it is. Or item image, if you have the different image like that, we have an URL that we kept our images somewhere in the cloud, then definitely you can put your image URL here. Also you can put the external URL for brand image and manufactured image or category image. Definitely system will allow you this. And lastly, we need weight, length, width, and height. Make sure weight with the kg, and length, width, and height are in centimeter. So I'm just saving this one and export as it is CSV, like the CSV, save it, and the name with the revised, I just save it a name like this one, the revised one. I have the original file here and the revised one. So I uploaded how we uploaded how we upload a CSV file. So upload this one, make a file name that is test file or the same name of the file. It's your wish, it's not important much. Make sure that you have this file. If you upload this file, you see you have this one, and go to the view sections. You will see the file path here. Something is going wrong for the file, but I'm going back to the just uploaded few minutes ago. This is the file looks like. File will be uploaded in somewhere in the cloud. So how the system will uploaded, the we have the run button. If we run this the CSV file, we have the only product or item. So this success. Now we have the count number 4. It was just before was 4. Now we have 5, so we ran 5 times and see how the log works. The first time we ran this file, and the system found one product, one item, one. So I ran this file 5 times. So go back to the product sections, and the down here is the items. Click the view options. There is the product, offer, and descriptions. So I added few number of items with the different names, so I added the here, and the description, emails, and so on. So all the things are blank because I made them blank for test purpose. This is how catalog works for product and CSV. Here is the order section. So I placed or make some orders and also completed some orders. Here in the options. If you go to the view sections or edit sections, let's start with the view sections. So you will see the invoice. This will look like the invoice. We can print this invoice. In the left side we have some blank space. I will make these things clear later on. Oh, so coming back to the invoice page, so you can make this order like what will be our next action. Here is the options. The next options order just place, and you can click the order placing. So current status is order processing, sorry, order processing, and next action is about to delivery. So if you set to deliver, then you can about to delivery, so user can identify and user will be notified through the system that your items is about to delivery. When you click the on transit, user or customer will be notified that your order or items on transit. Or after receiving the product, you can make sure that complete the order, then in the item will be or order will be completed, and you will have no action points. So go back to the list page and go to the page 2. See, we just completed this order. Okay, this is the transaction. For online payment systems, your transaction will be added here. So see, this payment made done with the transaction number, invoice number, and the date and the transaction note and so on, and the status. So this is the payment transactions here with the dollar sign. So this is payment transaction, and finally we are completing a order. And also for manual order, you can create a new order. Here also the same informations, you can choose the product here. So for example, this one, make the quantity, choose your customer from drop down, or you can input the shipping or billing address. Billing address is not necessary because we are gonna have the online payment system, so billing information is not required. And in our front end, we removed the billing information. We just added the shipping information here because it's the important, and payment will be made through online payment. Okay, so this is the ordering system. This is the order module or order features, and content will have content like, so home page will be dynamic. I will explain this later. For now, I'm just giving you the short brief for page selectors, how the page selector works. Go to the home page and see, this is the banner, this is the selector. Popular brands is another selector, popular items is selector. You can choose your selector, you can set your selector, you can choose your products under a selector. So go back to the selector. So go back to the page first. So see, this is our dynamic page. This system will give you the dynamically products to show the home page, and there is ACO metadata title and page selectors will be hidden under a page name. So click the edit button or click the add new for adding a new page. This is the home page. Country is choose your country, and the home slider, this is the home slider. We keep the image group and image graphics with this like attribute and attribute set. So this is the image set, so we keep this image name home slider, and under this home slider we have multiple images. These images will be available for home slider at home page. Right now we have the Horlicks and another one is Lays. So these two images are there under the home slider group. And the selector, here is the selector popular brands that we set in the home page, like popular brands, popular items. We can design this by our own way. I will explain this one. If you have any question, let me know, I will share with you. This is the group product. How group product to design? We have another the group that we can design a product like brand. So click on there. So we can set a group. How this group will be decided? So you can put the name here, you can make it status, you can keep ordering, but system will identify your group of type. So see, this is the brand. That means system will consider this is a brand list as this one popular brands. There are a list of brands. For the product, you will have the product sections to keep the multiple products. For the brand products, choose your brands, so that under the brands you have the products. The system will show the products here instead of brand, so that is called brand products. And the category, if you choose the category from here, and if you select that category, you don't need these two sections like brand and group products. For category, keep the items here to be selected categories. So system will show you the items of the category, or of those categories. You can choose the multiple categories here as well. So this is how group products design. And you can set this group product in a selector, and selector will be assigned to a page. And image, see the images. So we have two images, one is Lay's and one is Horlicks, and image groups are there. Lay's and Horlicks are make a group, so you can set a group to a page selector. And the menu config, we have few menu that we have designed here, and these menus are visible in here in the top menu bar, or left side in the here. All the menus are coming from the backend here. So this is the content, this is the page design, this is the order, catalog, and file maintenance. And we have another options, some tools. We'll come back this the later. Just giving the brief of this is the main important thing for inventory. You need to purchase your order by clicking here. I will come back this later one, but I'm making this short because the video is going longer. You can create a purchase order and make GRN, or you can directly create a GRN. The GRN will look like this one, the basic information with supplier name, and you will have the product. Select a product and select the unit, and you keep the quantity that you are receiving with the rate, cost price, and sell price. This quantity and sell price will be impacted to the product page that we had seen them before. So it's important, make sure we have inserted on all information here. Also we have the stock adjustment. We can adjust our items positively or negatively. Or also we have the stock view. We can see that how many items are available, or quantity for a item. This will be important because this will be completely attached with our available quantity. If you have any questions, please send me a message. I will make another video on that. And just before that, go through all the system and you will understand how the system works. Here is the AHR module. It's not fully functional, but you can keep your data with this module. I'm just leaving this one. For user sections, you have manage users, you have customers, customer group, and suppliers. And the setting options, you will have the theme configuration that you can customize your color and combinations like this way. You can choose the color from here, color plate, and make the theme that will be available in the front end. And also we have the service manager. If you want to sell some service, you can keep the service here. This will be visible in the as product as a service. The shipping calculation will be here. You will understand the how shipping calculation works, the TNT Express and cash on delivery. See our checkout page, we have a cash on delivery with 0, and the others information coming from the TNT server. This is completely live and coming from faster TNT server. So shipping calculation will be designed. I will make sure you will have another video on that. And courier bundles also here, payment bundle also here. We will add credit card, GPay, somewhere some payment gateways here. Area settings is not working here, we will add later on. So this is how the dashboard works. Please go through on it and let me know if you have questions. And we have this front end to set easiest way for a customer, and the structure will be same, but you need to adapt yourself to make your own design inside a page, your color and theme. But make sure this structure will same so that we can keep everything neat and clean, because this site is faster for easy navigate for a customer. And we have researched on UI UX or UX user experience, and we decided to keep this structure. And this is very popular structure or easiest structure for a customers. So please make everything simple, easiest way for a customer, and that will be very helpful for our business and making a order with easy sections. Say for example, if you go to here, it's very simple information and easiest way, without login or without anything. Just your place will be, your order will be placed within in a single minute or a moment. And payment section will be coming from coming this page. This page has some error, I will show you later on, but the system will remain consistent, and the product and the user can uh, decrease the quantity, increase the quantity, and all that. So please go through on it. Dropping here, I will show you or make another video. Please give me your feedback, then I will show the another things later on. Also the search is very important. This will help customer to search a product. This is our easiest options. These items has no images, that's why it's blank. Some products have images, so there customer will can filter this way, these ratings, brand and category and so on. And we will have some work on that, so the promotion page and some other page, those are not ready yet, but let me know that how we can make these things works. Definitely I will give them priority, but time to time all the things will be workable. But right now we are trying to make our site live faster as soon as possible. I'm gonna work on the payment gateways. All the things are dependent on the payment gateways. After that we can go to the live, but definitely we are trying to go live as soon as possible. Thank you.